Yes. Good morning, children. This is Jitin Kumar Tiwari from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Ordnance Factory, Katni. Today my topic is matrices. My dear children, matrices is, first we think about what is the matrices. Matrices is nothing. It is the arrangement of given objects in form of rows and in form of columns. This is the sign of the matrices. If we arrange all the items, all the elements in form of rows, these horizontal lines are rows. These are rows. And vertical lines, they are called columns. जो भी एलिमेंट्स आपको दिए हुए हैं उनको आपको रोज और कॉलम्स में अरेंज करना है. दिस इज कॉल्ड द मैट्रिसेस. मैट्रिसेस इज नथिंग, इट इज द अरेंज ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन फॉर्म ऑफ रोज एंड कॉलम्स. वर्टिकल लाइंस क्या होंगी? कॉलम्स होंगी. दिस इज रो 1, दिस इज रो 2, दिस इज रो 3, दिस इज C1, C2, C3, C4 and so on. Similarly rows. Suppose you have in a class 1, first class, section A, boys, girls, boys 5, girls 3. First B section, 7 boys, 8 girls. Then this arrangement, if you write this arrangement in form of a matrix like this, this is the matrix of order 2 cross 2. There are 2 rows, R1, R2, C1, C2. So this is a matrix. Suppose you have 3 rows. The rows and columns intersect each other at a point. R1, C1 intersect at a point. This is called row 1, C1. This is row 1, C2. This is row 1, C3. This is row 1, C4. The elements where is situated, it depends on its position. First row, first column, R1, C1, R1, C2, R1, C3, R1, C4. Similarly here, R2, C1, here, R2, C2, here, R2, C3, and so on. R3, C1, R3, C2, R3, C3. This extends its position. This arrangement is called a matrix. So, what is a matrix? Matrix is nothing. It is the arrangement of the given objects or articles in form of rows and columns. Systematic arrangement. Suppose we give some or we discuss some more examples. This is the example. Another example is five, 7, 11. This is a matrix. How many rows are there? Only one row. How many columns? C1, C2, C3. 3 columns. The matrix may be written as in this form: 1, 7, 11, 2, 1, 3. How many rows are there? There are 2. R1, R2, R3. 3 rows. And how many columns? 2 columns. C1, C2. This is the matrix of order. अब आता है सर मैट्रिक्स के बाद इसका जनरल फॉर्म. जनरल फॉर्म कैसे बनाते हैं सर? Whenever you write a matrix, use capital letter element A11. The element situated in first row and first column, A12, A13 till A1n. First element indicates the row. first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, first row, nth column. Second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, second row, nth column. Third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column, third row, nth column, and so on. Mth row, first column, mth row, second column, mth row, third column, and nth row, nth column. This is the general form of a matrix. First element indicates its position, in which row the element is situated. One, that is first row. First column, this is first row, second column. This is first row, second column. Similarly for other. Order of the matrix. Next is order of the matrix. Number of rows multiplied by number of columns is called the order of the matrix. So what is the order of this matrix? M cross n. याद रखिएगा R into C होता है. ऑर्डर क्या होता है? नंबर ऑफ रोज इंटू नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स. सो नंबर ऑफ रो में यदि कॉलम का इंटू करके लिखिएगा, प्रोडक्ट नहीं करना है. दे इंडिकेट्स द order of that matrix. So what is the order of this matrix is m cross n. For examples, 5, 7, 3, 2, 1, 5. Can you tell me how many rows are there, children? 2 rows, I think. R1, R2. How many columns? C1, C2, C3. So its order is 2 into 3. What is the order of the matrix? Got it? Number of rows multiplied by number of columns. Some more examples. 5, 7, 11. How many rows are there? I think 3. Row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, column number 1. So its order is 3 cross 1. Similarly, you have to write some. So what is the matrix? What we conclude? We conclude that matrix is nothing. It is the arrangement of given objects, given elements in form of rows and in form of columns. You remember the number of rows and number of columns depends on the number of elements. What is the number of elements? Number of elements is equal to 2 into 3. जैसे आपसे मैं पूछता हूं how many elements in this matrix? So you said 2 into 3, that is there are 6 elements. Clear? जो प्रोडक्ट आएगा ऑर्डर का वो नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स के इक्वल होगा, नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स होगा. Now after this, shortcut notation of the matrix. The given matrix A may be written as Aij m cross n. Here Aij में I stands for rows and J stands for columns. In which row or in which column the element situated. Where I vary from 1, 2, 3 till m, first position, and J vary from 1, 2, 3 to n. इसका एक्सटेंडेड फॉर्म जो हम लिखते हैं वो वही है A11, A12, A13. फर्स्ट रो में लिखते जाइए. आई का वैल्यू 1 फिक्स होगा, जे वेरी होगा 1 to n. देन 821, 822, 823 till 8 to n. AM1, AM2, AM3, AMN. This is the extended form of that symbolical. So remember, matrix may be represented with this help of this sign. You write the ijth element. There are some problem. They give the ijth element of the matrix. Then you have to construct the matrix according to their order. What is the meaning of what I want to tell you? Suppose in examination they ask, example, Aij of order 2 cross 2. What do you mean of this? A matrix. Then it is nothing. You say, sir, A11, A12, A21, A22. I vary from 1 to 2, J vary from 1 to 2. So this is the extended form of the matrix. Suppose they give the order 3 cross 3 or 3 cross 2. Accordingly, we will extend that matrix. Now, the type of matrix are there. Type of matrices, dear children. There are certain specific type of matrix. First type, column matrix. What is the column matrix? A matrix which having only one column. For example, you write a matrix A equal to A11, A21, A31, A41, and so on, AM1. Tell me, what is the order of this matrix? How many rows are there? 1, 2, row number 3, row number 4, and so on. The last one is row number M. How many columns? Sir, there is only one column. So what is the order of this matrix? 1 or M? क्या आएगा? M cross 1. How many rows? M. How many columns? 1. So the matrix having only, yes, one column called, yes, column matrix. For example, 17. What do you say about this? This matrix is of order 1 cross. Having only one column. हमको तो column देखना है. Number of rows क्या है? Does not depends on it. So it is a column matrix. Yes, column matrix. Then 5, 0, 1. What is the order of this matrix? Yes, 3 cross 1. There is only one column. And so on. So many orders. Clear? This is called column matrix. So a matrix having only one column is called column matrix. Second type of the matrix is row matrix. What is the row matrix? The matrix which having only one row. जैसे वहां कॉलम था फिक्स, यहां किसको फिक्स कर देना है? रो को. सो अ मैट्रिक्स हैविंग ओनली वन रो. A11, A12, A13 till A1n. What is the order of this matrix? Its order is 1 cross n. One row and how many columns? N columns. Called row matrix. For example, once again you have only 5. Its order is 1 cross 1. How many rows are there? Only one row, first position. So that's why it is a row matrix also. Then you have another matrix 1, 0, 7. What is the order of this matrix? Its order is 1 cross 3. 5, 7, 1, 4, 3. How many rows are there? Only one row. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 1 cross 5. Such type of matrix are known as, yes, row matrix. So a matrix having only one row is called row matrix. Now, third one is square matrix. The third one is square matrix. What do you mean of square matrix? A matrix having number of rows and number of columns same. जितनी रोज होंगी उतने ही कॉलम होंगे, ऐसी मैट्रिक्स को क्या बोलते हैं जी? यस, स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. सो ए इज अ मैट्रिक्स A11, A12, A13 till A1n, A21, A22, A23 till A2n, and so on. AN1, AN2, AN3 till ANn. What is the order of this matrix? N cross N. So such type of matrix in which the number of rows and number of columns are same is called square matrix. For example, only 3, number of rows, number of columns same. So it is a square matrix. 1, 7, 0, minus 1. What do you say about it? It is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. It is a square matrix. Then 3, 5, 1, 7, 0, 2, 3, 1, 5. What is the matrix? Order 3 cross 3. And so on. So the matrix having number of rows and number of columns are same is known as, yes, it is a square matrix. Dear children, next matrix. Fourth type of matrix. Diagonal matrix. What do you mean of diagonal matrix? You remember diagonal? A matrix having only diagonal element, other elements are 0, like this. A square matrix, ऐसा स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स जिसमें केवल डायगोनल एलिमेंट का एग्जिस्टेंस हो रहा हो, all are not equal to 0. Maybe some are 0, but all are not equal to 0. It is order of n cross n. So what is this? A square matrix in which except the diagonal element remaining are 0. Maybe some element of diagonal are also 0, but not all. It is called a diagonal matrix. For example, 1, 0 or 11, 0, 0, 7. This is a square matrix of order 2 cross 2. Its diagonal element are not equal to 0. 7, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 3. This is a square matrix. So sometime it may be written as a square matrix जिसमें आपको सारे एलिमेंट्स 0 मिलेंगे except some element of diagonal are non-zero. So it may be written as Aij of order n cross n, where Aij equal to 0 if I does not equal to j, and Aij not always equal to 0 if I equal to say, maybe sometime it may be written as like this. So our diagonal matrix is nothing, it is a, yes, it is a square matrix. So every diagonal matrix is a square matrix, but converse is not true. That is, every square matrix not necessarily a diagonal matrix. Next, scalar matrix. Fifth, my dear children, a diagonal matrix, देखिए स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स से क्या है, diagonal matrix. अब a diagonal matrix in which all the elements of diagonal are of equal magnitude other than 0. Like this. So it is the matrix of order n cross n. All the elements, it may be written as Aij n cross n, in which where Aij equal to 0 if I does not equal to 0. डायगोनल के एलिमेंट क्या होंगे, A11, A22, A33, ANN. Aij equal to K does not equal to 0 if I equal to 0. This is called a scalar matrix. So a diagonal matrix is a scalar matrix in which each element of the diagonal is of equal magnitude, called scalar matrix. For example, 5 0 0 5, 7 0 0 0 7 0 0 0 7. This is a scalar matrix. So got it? Every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix, but converse is not true. Every scalar matrix is a square matrix, but converse is not true. Now, 6th type of matrix called identity matrix. My dear children, identity matrix again a scalar matrix, you know, a scalar matrix in which every element of diagonal is equal to 1. Identity होनी चाहिए, 1 होना चाहिए. Every element of the diagonal is 1. 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 and so on, 0 0 and last one n cross n. Sometime it is written as Aij n cross n, where Aij equal to 0 if I does not equal to j, and Aij equal to 1 if I equal to j, where I and j, I stands for row, j for column, so I vary from 1 to n, j vary from 1 to n. This is also a very useful matrix denoted with I. 1 0 0 1, 2 cross 2. 1 cross 1 का क्या होगा? Only 1. 3 cross 3. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Its order is 3 cross 3. 2 cross 2 का identity matrix, 1 cross 1 3, and so on. So a scalar matrix in which every element of diagonal is equal to identity is called identity matrix. This is very useful. Why I want to tell you? You remember this? Dear children, you recall your junior classes concept. What is the identity element? Identity element is nothing which used in the given operation, then result remains same. Suppose the additive identity, आपको याद होगा 5 plus 0 or 0 plus 5 is always 5. So what is 0? 0 is called additive identity element, whereas 7 into 1, 1 into 7, it is 7. So 1 is called multiplicative identity element. Similarly, in matrices, if you multiplying any matrix, किसी भी मैट्रिक्स का यदि आप i से इंटू करिएगा, मैट्रिक्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन हम ऑपरेशन में डिस्कस करेंगे, it is always remains a. If a is a matrix, you multiplying with i, then याद रखना मेरे भाई, किसी भी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स का आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स से इंटू करेंगे, ये स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स होगी क्योंकि आई स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स है. Then whenever we multiplying a square matrix with its identity matrix, then result remains as it is. That's why this is called identity matrix. Now at last, not least, zero matrix. A matrix having every element is of magnitude 0. Of any order, not necessary it is a square, किसी भी ऑर्डर का, कोई भी ऑर्डर हो सकता है. So a matrix in which every element is of magnitude 0 is called zero matrix. For example, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. What is the order? There are 2 rows or I think 3 columns. ये 2 rows है, ये columns है. Then its order is 2 cross 3. 0, 0, 0. Tell me order, 1 cross 3. And so on. Such type of matrix is called zero matrix. And similarly, simply it is denoted with 0 and write its order. Extended form is this. Simply write 0 and 1 cross 3. Extended form is this. According to their order. These are the main types of matrices. There are some more types. Depends on the some specific properties we have in our further study. Next study में वो आएगा. Now, after the types of matrices, we have equality of matrix. You want to compare two matrices. Equality of two matrices. Equality of matrices, if you have two matrices, suppose you have a matrix A is A of order n cross n. B is another matrix, B is A. Its order is also m cross n. So the necessary condition for the equality of two matrices, their order will be same. If their order are not same, then they are never equal. So what is the necessary condition? The necessary condition is order of A equal to order of B, that is m cross n equal to m cross n. Then only they are equal. Then A equal to B, and A equal to B, it means that A is A, m cross n equal to V is A, n cross n, it means that every corresponding element equal to of A equal to B. What do you mean of this? See, some examples are there. Suppose you want to say A0, 1, 5, 2, B. This is a matrix A. Then you have 5, 0, 1, 5, 2, 7. This is B. First you think whether they are equal, possible. Yes, its order is 2 cross 3. Its order is 2 cross 3. So, if A equal to B, only when their order is same, order same है 2 cross 3, 2 cross 3, then compare their elements. Here you have first row, first column A. Here you have first row, first column 5. So A will be 5. आपको ऐसे कंपेयर करना है माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, एक मैट्रिक्स को दूसरे पर सुपरपोज कर लेना है और करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स आपको सेम बोल देने। करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स मींस किस रो किस कॉलम का है एलिमेंट। ए फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम का ए, इसमें फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम में कौन 5, सो डेफिनेटली ए विल बी इक्वल टू 5 and b equal to 7. Since b lies in second row third column, here 7 lies in second row and third column, so they will be equal. So what is the equality of matrix? Got it? Whenever you have two matrix, their order same, first condition, as well as their corresponding elements are same, then the matrix are called, or matrices are called equal matrix. On the basis of this concept, we have the exercise. Dear children, remember each and every element in the matrices is a real number. You have the matrix in your curriculum, matrix of real number. Now, we have the first exercise on the basis of this concept. See the exercise of textbook, and I have discussed some questions with you. Remaining you will try to solve.
31 minutes.
Now you have the exercise. Exercise named as 3.1. Can you help me? State the numbers. Matrix if A equal to
2, 5, row wise. 2, 5, 19, minus 7, 35, minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, root 3, 1, minus 5, 17.
this is the given matrix in your textbook, NCERT textbook. See the exercise 3.1. Can you tell me the order of this? First we mark its order. How many rows are there, dear children? Row number 1, row number 2, row number 3. How many columns? Column number 1, column number 2, column number 3, column number 4. You remember how you will write the order? R into C. Ratan Chand, Rekha Chaturvedi. मैं ऐसे याद रखता. How many rows? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 into 4. This is the order. Now there are some problems. There are some questions asked by you. Yes, first one is.
The order of the matrix is.
So what is the order, dear children? Already I have discussed 3 cross 4. Second,
The number of elements.
number of elements in this matrix is. ये जो प्रोडक्ट आएगा इसको प्रोडक्ट करके लिख दीजिए. 3 into 4 that is 12. 12 number of elements होगा. Next,
Write the elements. A13,
A13. Next,
A21,
A21. Next,
A33,
A33,
A24,
A24,
A23.
A23. See, these are some specific elements. A13, first row, third column. Can you identify the position? This is the first row and this is the third column. First row, third column कहाँ intersect कर रहे हैं? इस point पर. This is 19. Understand? Try to write the 821. Where is the second row? पहला element row. AIJ यदि लिखा है, you recall it. It's indicate the row and this indicates the column of that particular element. So where is second row? This is the second row. And what is the first column? This is the first column. So second row, this is second row and first column. Which is the element? 35. Similarly, write the A33. देखिए मैं चेक करता हूं आप लिख पाते कि नहीं. आइडेंटिफाई करिए. थर्ड रो थर्ड कॉलम. Where is third row? Yes, this is the third row. Very good. This is the third column. So which is the element situated in third row third column? -5. Second row fourth column. This is the second row fourth column, that is 12. And last not least, second row, third column. Second row and third column, that is, yes, बोले
5/2.
5/2. थर्ड कॉलम के सारे एलिमेंट्स उसने पूछ लिए. This is the way by which you solve the example. Next question is there? No. This is the first problem. So how will you locate the element and their position? How will you write the answer? You understand? Now you see the question number second. Please read it.
If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 13 elements?
Number of elements equal to 24. It may be right in terms of row into column. So it may be written as 1 into 24. It is a matrix having 1 row and 24 column. Same 24 may be written as 2 into 12. A matrix having 2 rows and 12 columns. Same 3 into 8. Same 4 into 6. और बताएं? Then their reverse order, that is 6 into 4, that is
8 into
8 into 3. Next 12 into 2. Next 24 into 1. These are the possible matrix having order 1 cross 24, that is having 1 row and 24 column, or 24 row was 1 column, 2 rows and 12 columns, otherwise 12 rows and 12. Similarly, remaining are these. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Total possible matrices are 8 possible matrices are there. Now, second part is, if number of elements in the matrix equal to 30, then what is the possible way by which you write the such type of matrix? Row into column में split करिए. It is written as 1 into 13. As you know, 13 is a prime number, so there is no possible other factor. That is, it is written as
13 into 1.
13 into 1. So only 2 matrices are possible. Clear? Similarly, you have the third problem. Now, fourth one is very interesting. You want to construct a matrix of a specific order. Tell me, what is the specific order? I think it is 2 cross 2.
Yes, 2 cross 2.
Fourth problem, you want to construct a matrix A of order 2 cross 2, where the value of Aij is given. In first part, what is the value of Aij is given?
Aij equal to I plus j whole square upon 2.
This is the specific rule to construct it. In second one is the other one. In third one is the other one. 2 cross 2. इसको expanded form में लिखिए. A11, A12, A21, A22. First row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column. सर 2 तक क्यों लिखा, 3 तक क्यों नहीं लिख दिया? ये ऑर्डर है ना. मैक्सिम 1 row, 2 row, 1 column, 2 column means I का वैल्यू 1 से 2 तक होगा एंड J का वैल्यू 1 से 2 तक होगा, डिपेंड्स ऑन ऑर्डर. 3 क्रॉस 2 होता तो 1 2 3 1 2 3 लेता. अब सर आपको A11 बनाना है जी. A11 means I replace with 1 and J with 1. सब्स्टिट्यूट करिए. 1 plus 1 होल स्क्वायर अपॉन 2. वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देनी है. 1 plus 1 2 square, that is 4 by 2, that is 2. Then you construct A12, 1 plus 2 3 square by 2, that is 9 by 2. A21, once again 9 by 2, 2 plus 1 3 square by 2. A22, can you tell me? 2 plus 2
8.
2 plus 2 4 4 square, that is 16 by 2, that is 8. Write their values. So the required matrix is A11 2, A12 9 by 2, A21 9 by 2, A22. This is the required matrix. Similarly, you have to solve the next 4th, 5th, same. Now there are some problems, they are based on the equality of matrix. I want to discuss them. Before I leave, I want to give the assignment to you. Please try to solve the all solved example as well as write the definitions of all types of matrix. Now you have some problem of unknown values on the basis of equality of matrix. I want to discuss one question, 6th or 7th. So please tell me the question number 6th, first part. If two matrices are equal, tell me.
4, 3, x5 equal to yz 1, 5.
See, these are the two matrices, they are equal. Why? Their order is same. Now you want to find the unknown values, x, y, z. How you will find? To of the unknown values, you write the corresponding element are same. First row, first column का element यहाँ क्या है 4, यहाँ first row, first column y, that is y equal to 4. First row, second column 3. First row, second column z, z equal to 3. Second row, first column x. Second row, first column 1, that is x equal to 1. Similarly, you have to solve the remaining question of exercise. My dear friend, please, dear children, write the type of matrix, explore them with example, try to solve all the solved example as well as remaining questions of the exercise 3.1. Thank you. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में. जय हिंद, जय भारत.